Welcome! This video concerns the 2D AutoCAD versions with Line, Polyline, Trim, and Extend icons. We're going to be drawing in model space where everything is one-to-one. Your Line command is just what you think it is. It's located under the Draw command. You click on Line, and you can go ahead and draw any line that you want, vertical, horizontal, even, angular. Now, if you have on your computer the ortho, which we will go over later, that keeps your line completely vertical or horizontal. We also look at the polyline. Now, unlike line, which is 3 individual units in this instance, a polyline is one line that can bend at multiple locations. So say I wanted to draw over what I've just done, I can draw right over this, but now my polyline is one total unit, and you can see now that it is separate and all clicks up with one unit with the grips at the end, and you know where the polyline is. Unlike the individual lines, the polyline now can be maneuvered in and out based on how far you want to go. It can go up or down. It is one singular unit, kind of like a piece of yarn or string in which you just bend the yarn at certain points. If you draw a polyline and all of a sudden you need it as something else, we do have the explode command, which we will get into more later. But for now, let's just talk about the line and polyline. So when I'm working with line and polyline, just like anything else, I can draw individual lines all over the place. And if I'm going to extend or trim on these, the extend or trim command is located up here. It's currently on trim, but you can see extend is there as well. The trim command works a couple of different ways. If I click on the trim command and then come out in space somewhere and right click one more time, now anything I left click on that is crossed over another line will be trimmed. So you can see it'll trim up multiple of different ways. If I go to this line here though, it can't trim because it's not located over another item. Same thing with the extend command. If I want to extend something, and let's just say I want to extend it to here, so I click on where I want to extend it to, right click, and then extend which line I want to go out to that point, it will extend to there. If I want to extend it further, I can. I left click on where I want to extend it to and right click to the extend. So that gives me some options when I'm dealing with line and polyline. If I want to do a polyline and be able to extend it like that, in essence, I'll probably am going to have to explode it, and then they become individual lines just like what we had before. If I realize I've made an error and I don't want to explode it, I can go to the undo command, and now I'm back to a polyline.